Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our skillrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful.
Let us solve today's DC using Java programming language. The program must accept a string, name, department name and college name of a student and print the name, department name and college name in the format given here, that is name, department and college. Now let us consider for our test case. In this test case, the name, department and college name of a student is given. So we should print this in the above format. So the output will be name colon space department colon space ECE and college colon space. So this will be printed as our output. So let us consider our last test case. So in this test case, name, department and college name is given. So name colon covering department colon space mech college colon space KRR Institute of Technology. This is our required output. Now let us implement our logic. This is the given predefined code in our problem. So our task is to implement the interface. So interface college so inside this we have to define the public void print student name string of name. So similarly we have to define for the college name. So similarly define the method for print college name. It is nothing but, now let us paste it here, instead of student here we have to change college. So we have to add another interface department. So inside this interface we have to define the method print department name. So inside this interface let us define the method print department name string of, so we have to change student as department, which contains a string of, here we can add department name. So here it is nothing but argument, so we can have any name. So these are the two interfaces to be added to the given code. So this will be our code.